Let's discuss adding annotations to our orthographic drawing. We'll go ahead and make sure that you're in the tab that says orthographic drawing. And I'm going to open up one of these front views here. You'll see we're going to get a different ribbon up here. And there's one of the front views. So let's go ahead. We're going to add a leader. If you look in your tab up here in the ortho view, we have a section for annotation. And we do have a leader. You have some choices here on the leader. You can add leader, remove leader, align them, collect them. Pretty much the same options that you do have in regular AutoCAD. What we're going to do is we're going to specify the location of the leader arrowhead. And then we're going to specify the landing location. Now, of course, you can do a distance. I'll go ahead and do a 1/2 inch distance and tab over to a 45-degree angle on my leader. And then I can go ahead and put in a label on there. Click off or escape to get out of there. And you've added a leader. Now, right next to the left of leader, you also have some text. You can do single line text. You can do multi-line text. If we do single line text, we can specify a rotation angle either by pointing or by typing in the angle that we want. Let's just say if we wanted something at a 45-degree angle, then you would be able to type in at that angle. And then clicking off is going to take you, and then escaping takes you out of that command. Now, of course, if you go to multi-line text, you specify a box, and then you're going to get this entirely different ribbon, which is going to closely resemble you can look at it one of two ways, either like your Microsoft Office type programs, or pretty much exactly the same text menu that you get when you're working in AutoCAD. So you do have a lot more options when you're working with the multi-line text. Now we also have a tool called Ortho Annotate that we can use. You'll see that that button is here. And if you know which item that you want to annotate or what you're looking for, you can go ahead and use that tool and then type in whenever you want. Personally, what I prefer to do to use Ortho Annotations is I prefer to do a right click in here and then go to Ortho Annotate, and then I have all the choices that I can do right here, such as if I wanted to put an oval size equipment tag, it's going to be listed out there for me, and I can pick that and I can put it on there. Now, same thing, which is probably one of the more commonly used ones if you need to put in specific pipe elevations. I'll go ahead and exit out of that one, restart my Ortho Annotate, do bottom of pipe, and now I have a bottom of pipe elevation.